Welcome back everyone to another episode of Rushies Kitchen. Here we have Mr. Rushie himself, the big bad chef, and you know your co-host, always behind the camera, live in living color today. I'm your host Trudy. How are you guys?
Not bad, not bad. What go on, guys? You don't know your boy Russia. Yeah man, we're there with a special episode today. Special because somebody is out of hiding and she's in front of the camera.
Yes, today I got a promotion, guys. I'm no longer hiding behind the camera. Mr. Rushie himself asked me to come and assist him in the kitchen here today. And of course, you know, I'm the real chef behind the scenes. So we're gonna show you guys how to make shrimp
Fried rice. Yeah man. So guys, yeah man, so shrimp fried rice, you don't know, this is not unique to Jamaica. This is not really a Jamaican dish. But here we're gonna make it a Jamaican dish today. We're gonna spice it up.
We're gonna Jamaicanize the thing.
Whoa, that is a new word, don't?
Not my word.
Yeah, yeah. Alright guys.
So normally when we go to a lot of Chinese restaurants in Jamaica, shrimp fried rice is on the menu, and I know a lot of persons order it from the menu. But today we're gonna show you how to prepare it at home in your kitchen.
As easy as that.
Yes,
no.
just our little special recipe.
Yeah, man. And as usual, we have all our ingredients in front of we, a smile off them face right now and waiting to be introduced. You understand? So, Trudy, you want to kick it off and make people know what exactly we have?
Sure.
Although it's bright in front of the camera.
Alright, so firstly, we're going to start off with some rice. Now, this rice was previously cooked yesterday.
Yeah, man.
And
so, it's a day
long
old.
time rice, right? So, yesterday was prepared and we left it in the fridge for a couple of hours. And
as might I point out as well that this is jasmine rice. So for persons who love jasmine rice,
it's very fragrant
yeah,
rice.
Man,
very nice smelling.
And right now I smell it and trust me, it's really, really nice. Understand?
Excited.
Yeah, but you can use other rice, parboiled rice or any other rice, any other long grain rice of your choice.
Long grain rice and not the split rice, because you want your rice in the fried rice to be very
shelly and nice. You know, you don't want it to be clumped up. All right. So
here we have some shrimp. Funny story. I sent Mr. Rushie here to the supermarket to get raw shrimp. Mr. Man come back with cooked shrimp. But we're not kill him today. We're gonna do everything that needs to be done with the shrimp today to get an awesome fried rice just the same. So you can use raw shrimp or cooked shrimp, it doesn't matter. You will still get the same results.
Yeah, man. All right. And to the left again, because we're moving away, we're moving straight across the board, you know. But we have right as now.
Some minced garlic.
This is garlic, guys. All right. This is crushed. And
minced.
Crushed. Well, crushed and minced, guys. Don't follow here. All right.
So it was crushed first, and then it was chopped in fine pieces.
All right.
So it's minced garlic.
Minced garlic. So we have over here. We have a lot of scallion. Right. We have our bell peppers, sweet peppers, as we know it.
You can use any color, guys. Red, yellow, green, or you can do a variety of colors just to add more color to your fried rice.
If you love colors like me. But the pot is already colored with all the colors that we have here, so you don't have to worry yourself. Alright? This is some jerk season. We're gonna use this to marinate the shrimp liquor from this. Alright? Which Trudy I gonna take care of for because she can't depend set and not doing anything. So we have to put her to work. She say she are the main person behind RUSHIE'S Kitchen and the dishes. We're gonna test to see if that's true.
So guys, I think if I am the one preparing the shrimp, you know, I feel like me supposed to get most of the shrimp.
Unless I go pick them out when you do the shrimp fried rice.
I will count them one by one and ensure that I get all of the shrimp or most of the shrimp.
Alright guys, so we have our onions right here. And in previous video, I don't remember which video still, but remember we did a previous video which we say the purple onion is very flavorful, and that is why a lot of times I go with the purple onion, because even as we have it right here chopped in this small bowl, trust me, it's really loud in terms of smell right now. So you know, it's very flavorful, more than the white one that most persons are accustomed to. All right, we have some black pepper. we're gonna use this on the shrimp as well. A little from this, you know. This is soy sauce. Alright?
Right.
And or if you have the fried rice and
without soy sauce.
Yeah, man.
I was just about to say that.
Alright. We have our oil, vegetable oil, and there are a variety of, you know, cooking oils that persons use. That or you can use even olive oil as well.
Olive
that is
oil
a
can
nice
be
flavor.
used as well.
Alright. And this is oyster sauce, and she out down the whole place with oyster sauce. But people, it's not necessarily, you don't necessarily have to use oyster sauce. You can just use the soy sauce as we are accustomed to. But some people just love this whole heap of flavor. Me love it too, but if I not have it, I just not have it. Yeah.
I would prefer you guys use the oyster sauce to get a different flavor.
Yeah.
It will enhance the
a lot
in your fried rice.
Because it does this.
It was very hard to get, guys, but you know,
because it has this distinct kind of smoky kind of fish kind of, you know.
It's gonna make your
it's gonna make it pop, man. Yeah. Pop. And last but not least, pretty in a bowl is our mixed vegetable. All right. And we have a mixed vegetable here, and that will go and sear with all the other.
It's gonna add some flavor and some color to the pot.
Yeah, man. It's gonna sear with all other seasoning that we have
and as
here.
well, it's very nutritious to always ensure that you have vegetables along with your meal.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So truly, we're gonna go ahead now, you know, in the interest of time, and just season up with.
Oh, you want me to do it now?
Yeah, man. We want it right now. We want it, do, man.
First thing that we're gonna add to our shrimp. Remember, I said earlier it was cooked, but we're not going to add a lot of seasoning, and we're not going to cook it for a very long time. So we're just gonna add some jerk seasoning.
And we're not adding a lot, so
to the mix.
Yeah, man.
Yes, a whole lamp on my hand.
Just hold up on the hand a little bit. All right.
And then we're gonna add some
black pepper.
Black pepper.
I can help you out as well, you know. I'm there, you know.
Nah, come on.
So we have as well, you know,
some minced garlic.
Some garlic. So we can go ahead now and rub it out. So guys, you can use a fork or you can just use a hand to, you know, just work it in like what my friend over here is doing. Nice and smooth. Just ensure that it's mixed properly so all of the shrimp get flavors from the seasoning. You know, sister, I didn't add any salt. Yep. The shrimp itself has sodium already, and the rice has sodium. We don't need any salt. And the soy sauce, the soy sauce has a lot as well. When we're done, it's like a completely flavorful. If you want to add salt, that is your option, but we're not going to be adding any salt to this shrimp right now. All right. So based on what we see now, truly, we can see that, you know, pretty much worked in and it's covered and everything. So what we just want to leave this for, you know, a while for this to soak in and marinate, and then we just, you know, sear it in a bit of oil, and then we just spice up everything nice and easy. All right, guys, so this is our preheated pot with the oil already added. All right, so we're just gonna add our shrimp. And ideally, you don't want your shrimp to be over-seared or over-fried. Right, because it's partially cooked already, so you just want to basically just brown it in the pot, and then afterwards you can remove it. And the other reason as well is that when you cook shrimp too long, they will eventually get rubbery. So you just want them to be tender enough. All right, on medium heat. All right, so all of that is my shrimp. So me I tell you about your greediness. Oh my gosh. Shrimp, guys, is one of my favorite seafood. And of course, you know, whenever you go to restaurants, they literally count them before they put them in your plate. Yep. So. Smells so amazing. Yeah, man. So you just want to turn them, you know, allow them to sear a bit for maybe about 2 minutes or so. before you remove them from the pot.
Now, bear in mind that we're going to be adding them to the pot later on again for an extra
round of cooking.
Yeah. All right, so now we're going to be removing them from the pot and set them aside for later.
So guys, this is our heated pot and we're ready for throwing the seasoning now, right?
That's right.
So watch this. So we're adding our sweet peppers. This is our scallion. And add some more garlic as well. Right? And one of my favorite is, of course, the onions. All right,
now guys, as you can realize, there is no egg in this recipe. A lot of persons use egg in their shrimp fried rice, but Mr. Rushie
don't eat egg.
Yeah, he's not a fan of eggs.
Well, when I eat, it's not like when I eat egg. I'm just not a big fan of egg like that, right?
Like I said.
All right. So we add some mixed veg.
And you don't have to add all of it to the pot. Too much mixed vegetable will take away from the flavors of the finished product.
All right. So we just allow that to sear a bit. Right? You want to make sure that the heat underneath the pot is just right. So now we have our
jasmine rice.
Shelly jasmine rice. And we're just gonna add some to the pot right now. All right. So you know, as we go along, we're just gonna test to see if we have the right amount. Because somebody over here will just eat up all of this one time.
Lies. Why? Lies, guys.
Right. So we test and we realize that we can actually add some more. So we'll add some more as we go along.
I don't know why I want to convince the people them say me eat more than you, which is not true.
Which them know already.
That is not true.
They know already. Alright guys, so just gonna add some more as well. So you realize I did not add all at once. Right?
Just gradually and work it in.
Yeah man, measure my way and make sure say I have the right amount.
Alright, we don't want the rice sticking to the pot.
Alright.
It's best if you use a non-stick pot, guys. Because you know the rice will itch.
So we have a big chef over here, so she'll go tell you what we add next.
So next to the pot, we're going to add our soya sauce. So you can add about 2 tablespoons of soya sauce to the pot. Now you can add either light soya sauce or dark soya sauce depending on the color that you want and the flavors that you want it to be added to it.
Right.
So this soya sauce that we have contains some amount of ginger, so it will add a nice flavor to the finished product.
Alright.
So now you're gonna add some oyster sauce.
So now we're adding some oyster sauce, you know, and this oyster sauce will add
flavor,
a ton load of flavor,
and of course some color to your fried rice.
Yes.
Just spread that all around.
And of course this is optional, But for we in a Rushie's kitchen, it's a must have. Alrighty. Next thing we'll add, last but not least, is our shrimp. And we're adding all of this shrimp, you know, to the fried rice. And this is the final piece of the puzzle right now. So ideally you want to allow your fried rice, right, to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Simple and easy. Look at, guys, look at the color, look at the texture, look at the shrimp. My God, this is absolutely amazing. Guys, this is pretty much it. This is pretty simple, pretty easy. Alright guys, so there we have it. Nice shrimp fried rice. Watch out. Nice and easy. Same way on Rushie's Kitchen as we do every week when we prepare a meal. And as we do, and as we always do, Trudy are going to do the taste test right now. You see me?
This is my favorite part, guys. As you know, I'm always behind the camera when I'm doing the tasting, but you know, you guys can actually see my reaction now.
Yes, live and in living color. So just tell the people them, I know it's nice. Me not have a taste now, you know. I know it's nice already.
No man.
It's a chin have nothing for me done.
Bad.
Yeah, what? I quit my new job. I quit my new
Can't quit the job.
Guys, I quit my job. I turn a chef right now at your favorite Chinese restaurant. So catch me up there, up the road. You understand?
The shrimp, you know, TC, the shrimp, guys, is so delicate and soft. I think cooked shrimp is the way to go, because I've had it with raw shrimp before, but cooked shrimp is the way to go.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it is.
Delicate, nice. The seasoning we add on it.
Nice.
Trust me.
And the oyster sauce.
And the oyster sauce, magic portion.
Like a secret ingredient, that.
So that is it from us at Rushie's Kitchen. You know, I have a little shout out still. Trudy.
Yeah, shout me out?
No, actually, Munchy, I should say. Munchy, you know, large up yourself, you know, share it, big up yourself as well. I understand if you're going to shout out, so I'll show it to no out. So just sketch a man, Daniel Munchy's YouTube channel. I'm going to post a link in the description, you know, so you can follow them and give them some support as well. You know, so there you have it. Rushie's Kitchen, chicken. No, this is not a chicken.
Shrimp.
It's a shrimp
Fried
rice. Warm to my man. Shrimp fried rice, guys. And trust me, you can try it.
Chicken next time.
Chicken next time. So just catch it on the channel. You understand? So just remember to like, share, subscribe as always.
And click the bell.
Click the bell. So Rushie's Kitchen, they are signing out with Rushie and Trudy saying we're going.
Bye guys.